Hi everybody. Today I've got a little video for you about the quotient of powers, multiplying a monomial times a polynomial, and multiplying two binomials together. So a little bit of review, hopefully. If not, that's okay. You can watch me as much as you like. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, quotient of powers. For any real number a not equal to 0, because you cannot divide by 0, and integers m and n, when you have a quotient, which is division, you want to subtract the exponents. Simplify the coefficients. So, let's look at our first problem here. We have x to the 7th divided by x to the 3rd. So if we just subtract the exponents, we have x to the 7th minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So our answer is x to the 4th. The thinking behind this and how I remember it is I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's, and I have 3 x's on the bottom. 3 of those x's will cancel each other out because they reduce to 1, and you're left with 4 x's on top. X to the 4th. If you have coefficients, the big numbers, you're going to divide them. This is still a division problem. And 40 divided by 8 is 5, but then we have 2 x's on top and 1 x on the bottom. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we're big kids, so we don't have to write x to the first power. And then we have 6 x's on top and 1 x on the bottom. So we're left with 5 x's on top because 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. Next, we move on to multiplying polynomials by a monomial. And here we have 2x times 7x squared minus 3x plus 5. And all we're going to do is distribute. Important to remember that we're going to multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. So 2 times 7 is 14. And then we have x times x squared. So that's 1x plus 2. Gives us x cubed. Then we have 2x times negative 3x. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. We have 1x and 1x. So we have 2 x's. And finally we have 2x times 5, which gives us 10x. Lastly, we've got binomials, and we're going to FOIL them. So we first have 3y times 5y, which gives us 15y squared. Outer, which gives us 12y. Inner gives us 10y. And last, which gives us 8. Then we have some like terms, so we're going to combine them. 15y squared plus 22y plus 8. That's as far as we can go, so we're done. Finally, we have x minus 2 squared, and you can't just distribute that squared because this is the wrong answer. No. When you square something, it's x minus 2 times x minus 2. Squaring means times by itself. Then once again, you're going to FOIL. First, x squared. Outer, negative 2x. Inner is also negative 2x. And last, we get plus 4. X squared, combine our like terms, minus 4x plus 4. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.